In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide properties in Notion. If you've ever opened a Notion database and felt overwhelmed by too many columns or details on each card, hiding properties is a quick way to clean things up without losing any data. Think of properties as the fields that describe each item, things like status, owner, due date, or tags. Hiding a property simply removes it from your current view so you can focus on what matters right now. Your information is still there. It's just out of sight until you need it. First, select a page that contains the database you want to tidy up. This could be a table, a board, a list, a timeline, or any other database view. Open the page so you can clearly see the database and its property headers. If you're switching between views, remember that hiding a property applies to the specific view you're currently looking at, which is great for tailoring each view to a particular workflow. Keep an eye on the top of the database for the property names. That's where we'll focus next. Next, right-click on the property you want to hide. In a table, that's the column header at the top. On a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking if you prefer. If you don't see the right-click menu, double-check that you're clicking the property header itself and not a cell inside the column. The context menu that opens is specific to that property, which makes it easy to change how it appears in your current view. Now, click on Hide. As soon as you select it, that property disappears from the database view you're working in. The data is still attached to every item, it's just not displayed right now. This is perfect for decluttering reports, simplifying team dashboards, or creating a focused view for weekly reviews. If you change your mind, you can always bring a property back from the same place you hid it, and undo works here too if you just made the change. A few helpful tips as you work. Hiding properties is for presentation, not security, so don't rely on it to protect sensitive information. Use proper permissions and dedicated shared views for that. Consider which properties provide value for a given workflow and hide the rest to reduce noise. If multiple people use the same view, remember that the layout they see may reflect these changes, so align on what's essential for the team. And that's it. Select a page, right-click a property, and click Hide. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused Notion workspace.